10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The Indian Space Research Organization has said that the Chandrayaan-3 mission will enter into the Moon's sphere of influence on 5th August after leaving Earth earlier this week. However, the success of this mission hinges on a critical phase: the lunar orbit insertion, a meticulously planned maneuver that reduces the speed of the spacecraft, allowing the Moon's gravitational field to pull it into a stable lunar orbit. If the Chandrayaan-3 fails to be captured by the Moon's gravity, the consequences could be significant. The spacecraft might either crash into the Moon or be flung away from it due to the Earth's gravitational pull. In the event of the latter, the spacecraft would likely enter into the elliptical orbit around the Earth as per the Moon's natural orbit. The elliptical path known as the ellipse would see the spacecraft oscillating between the closest point on the Earth and the farthest point. The return journey of Chandrayaan-3 towards Earth will be influenced by the gravitational force of both celestial bodies. If the spacecraft orbit too close to the lunar surface, the Moon's gravity might cause it to crash conversely. If this satellite is slightly too far from the Moon, the Earth's gravity will pull the spacecraft out, flinching it away from the Moon altogether without the force of gravity from the Earth. The spacecraft would float away into the space. However, a mix of velocity and distance from the Earth allows the spacecraft to always be in balance between fall and escape. The delicate equilibrium is what keeps the Moon on its orbit around the Earth, and the same principle would apply to Chandrayaan-3. Its unplanned return journey in such a scenario, Isro would likely attempt to gain control over the spacecraft and guide it back to Earth. Precise calculation and timing would be critical in the phase, as any miscalculation could result in the spacecraft being lost in space or crashing into the Earth or the Moon.